Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. Today's April 20th, 2019, and I'm going to be harvesting some greens indoors. Yes, indoors. I got some lettuce and some radish greens that I'm going to be cutting. Check out the lettuce. Isn't that amazing? Leaf lettuce. And we're going to be doing that, and then also I wanted to show you some cilantro I got growing indoors. Look at that. I could be cutting that too already. So let's get started. Oh, one more thing. These are just some lettuce greens. I think I'm going to let them get a little bit bigger, but look how full them are. These are great for just putting on your salads. I probably planted them a little thick, but you know, this will add some flavor to your salads and help you to alkaline your system. Alright, let's get cutting here. I'm really getting into doing more greens. So I think that adding more greens to your diet is important, right? So I'm just going to take and grab them. And cut them off like so. Isn't this amazing? These will be really good on my salads. Might be a few that fall, but that's okay. And I might get a little bit of dirt in there, but these, I will wash these. Just get them down as low as you can. These are so easy to grow. It was just amazing, and they look so good. I have done greens in soil now that they do much better. I have done greens on these little fibro pads. I'm not sure what they're called, and I've also done greens on paper towels. And I can see that the soil, the greens, are getting much bigger in size. Check that out. So I'm just going to cut them all today, store them in my fridge, and they'll keep for a good week or so. And in the meantime, we'll be putting them on our salads. I wouldn't have to harvest these all today, but I kind of want to just get it done. That way they're up in my fridge and ready to go when I need them. Because today I'm going to make a salad, I believe, and we're going to be putting some of these on, radish greens, on them. I believe this was a cherry bell. But boy, you can smell it. Wow, potent. Now, no, we won't reuse this. They will not regrow. Once you get them cut below the leaf stage, they do not regrow. Okay? So there's going to be some here, and this will be just good to throw in my compost. So that's that. Got that one done. So look at all those. Nice. Alright, let's do the lettuce. Now, these will regrow if I cut them just right. Okay? So some of them look better than others, and it looks better toward the middle because of the lighting that I had. So I'm just going to be kind of careful here and just cut off some sections. And I've done this before indoors, and some of you have maybe seen the videos, but they do regrow back if you're careful on how you cut them. Or you might get a couple different crops. So, you know, I really suggest you do this, especially if you cannot get outside right now, to do this indoors, because it does work. Lettuce just does good under lighting, under my shop lights. So look at that. And you know what? None of this stuff is sprayed. They do have a little dirt on them, but that's okay. You know, we all got to wash our stuff, right, before we eat it. Some of these got a little yellow underneath. Don't worry about it. Compost them. So I'm just going to continue on cutting these. And then I probably should show you close up how I'm cutting them, shouldn't I? See how this, I'm still leaving some of the area where they can grow again? And they will. They've done it before. You just take off your leaf section and just kind of watch me as I go here. Some of these, of course, are going to be cut off and composted because, you know, it's not all, but look at that. Nice. You don't want to cut it down. You want to just cut it where you can see some new growth coming again. This is just amazing. And it's so rewarding too. But I've been trying to incorporate more greens in our diet because I'm trying to get our system a little more alkaline. As they say, disease, now this is just what I've read, does not grow, or the disease does not happen in your body if your body's in a more alkaline state. So I've been trying really hard to kind of change my diet a little bit, stay away from the processed foods, although that can be a little tricky. But you can see here what's going on and how I'm doing. But there's going to be more coming back. This will all regrow. It won't be as big a crop, but just start some more. Just start some more. That's all you have to do. And all I did was buy some lettuce in some bulk packages, lettuce seed, and voila. You can put this in, I did this, I actually transplanted them in here and I didn't have to. You can put them in a flat, seed it real thick if you want to. And then my mix is a perlite, peat and perlite mix. Always had good results with it. And I know some people don't care for it, but I love it. This disease does not happen in this type of soil near as much. And that's why I use it. So you can see, check that out. I'm really harvesting, but look what I got. Look at that. This thing's going to be full when I get done. So I just want to share my harvest. I'm going to go upstairs now. We are going to look at the microgreens that are growing in a paper towel. Okay? That'll be the next thing. Alright, I'm upstairs and here is my microgreens. This is a salad mix. And I did an experiment in the paper towel. And I get my salad mix at a specific place online, and you can look for that link in the description area. Okay? Definitely highly recommend them. They germinate wonderful. But check this out. You can see they don't get as big, do they? But still, it's handy. I put it up here under my countertop light, and they do just fine. So today, look at this. So today I'm going to cut them and put them in a bowl and then have them ready for my salads. Isn't that amazing? So I'm okay with this. I mean, this is simple. I don't have the paper towels cheap. I actually bought organic paper towel just because I'm funny that way. You know, I like everything organic. But I'm making kind of a mess here, but let me show that to you. There's sections. And I'm just going to pull and I'm going to trim them. I think they've done better in some of the other material. I'm going to get that material that I use too. I also use these natural hemp pads. And I'll have that link in the description as well. And they work pretty good. I can put 6 of them in my tray. Okay, and I just soak them up, and you might have seen it on one of my other videos. But this works good too, but I'm getting low on them, so I thought let's try the paper towel method and see if it works. It works, but as you can see, you know, the leafed out section probably isn't as big as if you were planting in soil. So I think soil's the all-time best way to do this if you want, but you're going to have to keep purchasing soil, but you also got to purchase the pads. You got to purchase anything, I guess, if you want to do it this way. But it's going to be up to you, and do your own testing of what you like and how it does for you in your area with your lighting and stuff, okay? But I just take and go along and trim them, and no, these do not regrow. We're cutting below the leafed cotyledons section, so they do not grow again. My chickens actually, in my pea file, actually like this. Once I get done, I'll take this mat out to them and they'll pick on it, so nothing really gets wasted. So you can see, put them in my bowl here. I tell you, I'm excited because I can do this and not have to count on buying at the store, because everything's sprayed, and unless you buy organic, but everything, so much is sprayed, and it just bothers me. I do like to do my own, and plus I enjoy doing it, and I think you would too. I think you would really enjoy it. So yeah, I just take and keep cutting here. Like I said, these will keep in the fridge for probably, I'd say use them within the week, okay? And then make sure you wash them before you use them. I'm not going to wash these before. I don't think I have to wash these, but some of these I had in the soil. I'll probably wash them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my description area for the links of what I use, and I appreciate any support you can give me. I just love doing this. And also visit my gardening blog at pickafencegreenhouse.info. Check that. Isn't that nice? So here we go. We got the microgreen salad mix. We got the radish greens. And we got my lettuce. So all this is going to go in the fridge, in the crisper. And I'm going to use some today also. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Comments, questions, let me know. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? That's going to go out to the chickens. They're going to get a lot out of that. They're going to love it. So thanks so much for watching today. Appreciate it. I hope you got something out of this video. Comments, questions, love to hear from you. Talk soon. Bye.